Today we're going to talk about how to use text strings in Connexion. Let's start by looking at some of the text strings that I use. As you can see, I'm heavily dependent on these text strings in order to do my daily work. A text string, as the name suggests, consists of two things. One is a description. Here you can see a description of what this text string is. 024 underscore Wikidata. You can go up here to manage to get more information about it. So here you see the 024 underscore Wikidata description of the text string. We can go into modify and see what the actual text string is. So a text string, as the name suggests, is a string of text that you'll be able to add to a record in Connexion. This one, as you can see, consists of a line break at the top, which allows you to enter it anywhere in a record, and it will automatically create a new field beneath it where this text will go. This is followed by the text that will be entered into the record, and you can see here, this is exactly what is going to appear in the record. It's a new line with an 0247 blank QXXXX subfield 2 Wikidata subfield 1 and then the beginning string of a URI. These are added in name authority records, which I create a lot of. Text strings are useful for data that you find yourself routinely entering. For instance, we enter our login initials into the 902 field in every bibliographic record we create before exporting. So I have a text string set up for that. You can see here I have a 902 text string with my initials for copy cataloging and a 902 original for my initials when I create an original record. This allows me to never make the mistake of entering BLUEWH and to always consistently be able to enter my initials. Um, you can see also here on the right that you're able to create a keystroke or user tool shortcut to these. So I often, for the ones that I use most frequently, will add a keystroke shortcut. In this instance, for 902 original, Blue HW original, I've key mapped that to Control plus O. And you can do that by hitting key maps here, going into text, and then finding any of your text strings here that you want to use. And then you can see I've already assigned it here, but you would enter whatever shortcut you wanted here. So you wanted Control Shift T, and it would tell you down here whether or not you've already assigned it. So this is already assigned to macros CMB macros generate authority record. So I don't want to assign that because it's already assigned to another macro. So you'd have to search for something else. Let's say Control Alt Shift K. Okay, so you can see here that hasn't been assigned. So you could assign that so that you could do a key map shortcut to this. Um, Once you've assigned the key map shortcut to this, you can go into this record and we'll do the Control O one that I just showed you. You can be in any line because I included an enter at the top, and I'll press Control O, and you'll see in the next line it will create this 902 with my initials. You can do this for any set of text strings that you'd like. Um, for instance, a very common one, you can see this has these 3x fields here. I have a control 3 that allows me to easily enter that same information in a record that, say, doesn't already have those. You should Again, create text strings based on your needs as a user. If you find yourself typing the same thing out over and over, create a text string for it. This helps reduce mistakes. They also save a lot of time. Text strings are your friend. Use them, love them. If you have any questions that weren't addressed here, please leave them in the comments. I'll probably answer them. And please don't forget to hammer the like button and be sure to follow us for more riveting cataloging content.